Letter G is much longer than letter C. It's a forward stroke. Then H, as per principle, it is written at the beginning. It is a dot at the beginning of the vowel. Broken circle, as per principle, it is a big circle similar with letter A. However, there is a broken line at the center. Again, letter I, which is a long I, it is a broken circle. Then letter J, we have this big or capital letter J. Letter J in shorthand is a downward stroke, a downward straight line. Okay, a downward straight line, and it is written full height. I'm very sorry with the extra sound that you can hear because of the dogs outside my apartment. So again, it's written full height. It is a downward stroke. How about letter L? We remove the main body part there. So same with letter G. It is written forward. However, it is opposite with letter G. Okay? If letter G is written like this one, uh, gakulob. Letter L, gakaya. They are the same in length. Letter M, we remove here the main body part. Same with letter N. So the remaining a straight line is now the shorthand form. So we have letter M, which is just written a little bit above the line of writing. So it's a forward straight line. Okay, I repeat, it's a forward straight line. And N is shorter. The same forward straight line, but it is shorter than letter M. Letter O, we remove the half part of letter O. So O now is written like that one. Half, okay? So it should be narrow. It should be narrow.